Well, here's trying to make a video again, because everybody knows how good I am with technology at the age of 43. I've got this 96 Touring SLE with a Rotax 503 motor in it. And yesterday I thought I'd make a nice can because you can't buy one. So we used a Black Widow 2.5-inch neighbor hater muffler and we built a can. So here I'll show you guys what it sounds like because everybody wants to know. I like it. Videos never do the sound justice, but sounds like a mean ass mountain sled.